The elbow dance. All right, so in the elbow dance, all right, we have a couple of things going on. We're gonna work on moving the elbows like this. We're gonna work on up and down, and also turning around while we're doing the elbow dance at the same time. We're gonna roll your boat, roll your boat, roll your boat. We're also gonna roll our arms down low and up high, all the way through. These are different moves that you can work in the combo. So it's like boom, da, boom, boom, da, doom, da, doom, doom, da. But we're gonna use that in the form of just the elbow dance song. So you're gonna play that, but it's gonna cover these different moves that you're gonna have in the song. You can do it for, like I said, cross the floor, like they can march, hit the elbow dance. Each one of the moves in there, you can just separate them and break it down. But let's take a look at the elbow dance with
the elbow dance. Check it out. Yo, now do the elbow dance with your right arm. Yeah, that's the elbow dance. Now do the elbow dance with your left arm. Come on, that's the elbow dance. Now do the elbow dance going up and down. That's the elbow dance. Now do the elbow dance while you're turning around. Come on, that's the elbow dance. Now put your hands in the air and raise the roof. Put your hands on your knees and bounce. Put your hands in the air and raise the roof. Put your hands on your knees and bounce. Now shake your shoulders, shake it, shake it. Shake your shoulders, shake it, shake it. Shake your shoulders, shake it, shake it. Shake it like this. Come on. Now roll your boat to the right side. You know it. Just roll it. Come on. Roll your boat to the left side. You know it. Just roll it. To the right side, roll your arms down low. Now roll them up high. Come on. And to the left side, roll your arms down low. Now roll them up high. Come on. Now do the elbow dance with the right arm. Yeah, that's the elbow dance. Now do the elbow dance with the left arm. Come on, that's the elbow dance. I do the elbow dance going up and down. Yeah, that's the elbow dance. I do the elbow dance while you're turning around. Come on, that's the elbow dance. Yeah, do the elbow dance. Come on, everybody just do it, do it. Yeah, do the elbow dance. On like this. Yo, double elbow. Come on, yeah, both of them. That's it. Yeah, come on and do the elbow dance. Just like this. Whoa. I like the groove.